Hey everyone, Tim Schofield here, and I just posted my unboxing of the new Huawei Mate 40 Pro. I can link to that down below if you missed it. However, now it's time to take a look at the new smart glasses from Huawei. There are also multiple styles of the Eyewear 2 smart glasses. This is the smart laying style we'll be unboxing. Now, Huawei has paired up with Gentle Monster to create these glasses. Gentle Monster is an eyewear company. Really excited to check these out because there's a speaker built in so you can listen to audio, you can have conversations because there's microphones also built in, and a lot of other technology including gesture controls and more. There's also a new acoustic system to minimize audio leakage, so when you are listening to audio, people around you are going to be able to hear it. So I'm excited to test that out and a lot more, so we'll unbox the new smart glasses from Huawei and take a quick look at what you get inside, and then of course do some testing with these glasses. Let's get started. On the box, you've got that Gentle Monster Huawei partnership with this tech product. Let's open this on up and check them out. So first of all, you've got a case for your glasses. I'm gonna set that down because we're gonna take a look what else comes inside the box. You have your warranty and safety information, your getting started guide, and also a cloth to wipe off your glasses. Nice that they included this. It does say Gentle Monster on it, something that you can actually just throw in the case when you bring it with you to wipe off in case you get some smudges on there. There's also a cable included, USB Type A to USB Type C for charging. To charge your glasses, thankfully there's no port on the glasses themselves. That would make it a little bulky, but taking a look at the back of the case is where that USB Type C port is to actually charge your glasses. So yes, they'll have to be in the case while they are charging. There's also a button on the back. I'm assuming this is a pairing button. Again, there are zippers right here to open it on up. So let's unzip the case. Flipping this up, you are greeted with the glasses right away. Pretty sleek style to them. Up at the top here is a lot of padding to protect your glasses. We can actually peel this sticker off. Let's take these smart glasses out of the case. Pretty easy to actually put back as well. Just make sure that the glasses are facing up and there's kind of a slot for them to fit in. So pretty easy to take out and put back in, which again is nice, especially because you're gonna need to put it in to actually charge these smart glasses. There was some plastic I had to peel off, and here's just a look at the overall style of the glasses. I have to say, pretty impressed with how slim and light these actually are, considering how much tech is in them. I kind of expected these sides to be a little bit more bulky, but nice to see that they are not, especially because on the sides, they have a swipe, a tap, and a pinch sensor built in for some actual controls. We'll test those out in just a second. And looking on the inside of the lenses, you'll notice just a small logo on the left and right-hand side. Also on the inside of the frame, you'll see Gentle Monster on the right and Huawei on the left. Let's get the glasses paired. I've got my Huawei Mate 40 Pro right here, and to set it in pairing mode, you pinch the left side of the glasses. And within Bluetooth settings, Eyewear 2 is right there. Let's pair our phone to our glasses. Before we try these out, when we jump into settings, there's a few options to change. Smart wear detection, which will pause audio when you take them off. There are shortcuts. So when you double tap the left arm, you can have it play, pause, wake voice assistant. Double tap the right arm, play, pause, wake voice assistant. Up to you. Swiping on the left can be volume or previous next, and you can flip-flop that on the right arm, and then pressing and holding, which can translate. There is a Find My Glasses mode in case you lose them, going into more settings, wear detection, audio broadcast greetings, high quality recording, dynamic call volume, and then you can have updates. So let's go ahead and update our sunglasses. Sounds a little weird to say. Let's do some testing with Eyewear 2. So putting the sunglasses on, there was a little chime, probably recognizing that I did put them on, so it will actually switch the audio output to the phone when I take them off and switch back to the glasses once I put them on. So let's do our first test with the gestures on these glasses. So on our phone, let's activate the voice assistant. There's a little chime letting me know it did recognize it, and our voice assistant is listening from the glasses actually because there's microphones built in. So if you are on a phone call, you can just talk and it will go through the built-in microphone. Now let's do an actual test. Now let's do an actual test with the voice assistant. What's the weather going to be like tomorrow? And it's actually responding. I can hear it. I don't know if the camera will pick up the audio. Probably not, but I can actually hear the audio and the voice feedback from the assistant. Now let's listen to some music. So I have the music app open. I'm going to double tap the right side, and it did play. So play pause was that double tap. And it sounds pretty cool, actually. It's a little bit different. It almost sounds like you're hearing it through your ears, but you kind of know that you're not, in a sense. It's pretty neat. Now let's try swiping forward on the right side. That did skip the song, actually. So those gestures seem to be working. Now let's try the left side should be volume, and it is turning it up. Now I'm going to turn it up all the way. I accidentally double tapped on the left side. It did activate the assistant when I was quickly swiping, so make sure you aren't just tapping, you're actually swiping. But this is really neat. I'm glad that they have gesture control so you don't have to actually pull your phone out while you're listening to music. You can even answer phone calls with a double tap on either side of the glasses. When it comes to style, after looking at myself, I think they did a really good job with them. I like the way they look on my face in general, and it is nice that they do have those different designs in case this isn't something that you're going for. So just did a test while in a completely quiet room listening to music, and at about 50%, you can kind of hear the music and it's still fairly loud in your ears, so I wouldn't really crank it up much more than that. When you do go up to 100% in a quiet room, you can definitely hear it. It's still not crazy loud though. And with that being said, vocals are a little bit hard to understand even at that 100% level. So if you're on a phone call and you have it, 50% and below in a quiet room, the other person, anyone around you or next to you is not really going to be able to listen in on your conversation. And no, there's no display in front of my eyes. They're not quite Google Glass or anything like that. But anyways, drop a comment. Let me know what you think about the Huawei Gentle Monster collaboration with Eyewear 2. Overall, seems like a really cool concept in general. Makes things very convenient. Again, less of a reason to actually pull out your phone with the different gesture controls. And then of course, pretty nice to be able to walk around with your glasses on and have a complete conversation with someone with microphone and speaker built in. I hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up. A lot more content coming soon, so be sure to click that subscribe button. And as always, guys, thanks for watching.